Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see about switch. Now let's go ahead and see an example for that. Here what we are going to do, we are going to have certain students having certain grades. For example, if the student get A, it's going to print something, and if the student get B, it's going to print another thing, something like that. Now let's go ahead and create a code for that. First I'm going to introduce a character type of variable. In this one we are going to have the student's grade. For example, I'm assuming the user have, or whoever the student it is, has grade B. Okay, now we are going to set the switch statement for that. Switch. In this one we are going to assign grade, and then we have to put a curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket, let's look at the case A. Case, if the student has A, it's going to print something like sweet or something like that. So print F sweet. Okay, sweet. Let's put SWE sweat, whatever it is, who the heck has it. So let's put sweat, and whenever the student get A, it's going to say sweat. And then we put a new line here, backslash small n, new line here, and then the next line. In the next line we put a break. Okay, so this is for case A. Now we are going to have case B, case C, case E, case A, not case E, there's no E grade, so let's put F. Okay, let's create something for that. So if the student get B, let's put something meaner, like could have tried hard or something like that. Could have tried harder. And if the student get C, I see you didn't study. I see you didn't study. If the student get D, we are going to say you love the D. Okay, in the next one, this one should be for D. And if the student get F, I don't want to say anything bad than this. Let's go ahead and say that's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Okay, that's it. And if it's like we also going to set a default, because for example, if someone enter other than like something else, like for example P or T or something like that, it's going to print default. In this one we are going to put printf that doesn't even make sense. Okay, that's it. And also we put a new line here. Semicolon. Now we have done everything. Since the student's grade is B, it should print could have tried harder. Now let's go ahead and run this one. It says could have tried harder. Now when you change something, for example, it's when you put A, it's going to put sweat, and if the student get D, it's going to say you love the D. Okay, and that's how it works. And here you can think, why do we have break right here? The reason for break is after it, for example, if the let's say B, so if the student is going to check the condition, so first it's going to go to A and then B, and if the B is satisfied, it's going to break here, because after that we don't have to check other things, right? Because otherwise it's going to become slow. The code is going, the program is going to become slow. So in order to speed it up, it's going to break it off, break right here and put the output. And that's why we use break, and that's how the switch works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you want to try these codes this is in my website. I put it in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.